Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to upload data into Postgis. In other words, how to be able to upload data to your database so that you can be able to see it in pgadmin. So this is pgadmin, the graphical user interface for PostgreSQL and for Postgis. And what we'll be using to load data today is a standalone data loader. There are various ways of uploading data to your Postgis or Postgres database. You can use the command line. You can use QGIS, an application for spatial data, or you can directly use a standalone application. So to use a standalone application, go to your search area and search for Postgis. So this is the application. It's called Postgis shapefile and database loader or exporter. Launch it, and this is how it looks like. Postgis shapefile import / export manager. So the first thing, you have to view connections where you'll put the details of the database that you want to connect to so that you can load the data. In this case, I'll go for mine is Postgres, and then I'll put the password. And then specify the server, if it's a local host 5432, and then specify the database where you want your data to go to. Mine is called Metrin. Then you say okay. So it will give you a message down here if the connection has been successful. So to add data, there is the export and there's the import tabs right here. So you want to add to the database, you'll go to the import and you'll select add file. Then you'll be able to maneuver to the folder where the data sets you want to upload are. In my case, I think I have to figure out where I saved that. Desktop, QGIS, data. So let's assume this is the data that I want to add to my database. Then it's a shapefile. I'll confirm and I will say open. So when it comes up like this, you see it shows you where the shapefile is coming from, the schema is going to, the table, the name of the table you can change, and the geometry, and SRID, this is the coordinate reference system, and it is usually 0. It is up to you to know the number where you want, how you want your data to be saved. And in this case, I'll put 4326, which is for WGS 84. So whichever system you want to load to put your data in, you have to know the number. Maybe you can go online and get the number. So once you have all the details in, you can come and click import. But before that, if maybe you have added the wrong file or you want to add another file, you'll go to add file again and add many more shape files. And if you want to remove whatever you have added, simply come and click on this remove and the file will go. So in this case, I'm sure this is what I want to import. I'll click on import and I'll give it time. Then it will come and tell me this is what has happened. Importing with configuration, shapefile imported completely. Then you can close. So when you come back now to pgadmin, you come to your databases and you refresh. Then when you access your database Metrin and you go to the schema, public schema, and you go down to the tables, you will find the tables, the data that you have uploaded, in this case airports, and this spatial reference system is default. It came because we added the extension Postgis, which allows us to work with spatial data, and you know spatial data has coordinate reference systems, and all those are stored in spatial reference system data. So that's it. If you want to see, for example, everything that is contained, if you click on the airports, then you see details about it. And if you want to manipulate the data inside it, for example, through SQL, you click on the airports, then you come to tools, you go to the query tools. So this is not needed. Yeah, so then you can be able to write here your query. For example, you can write select all from, and you know your data is called, your layer is called airports, and then you run. So then it will show you everything that is inside, and it will actually tell you it has successfully, the query has successfully been executed, and it tells you everything, all the things that are contained in your output. So that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next one.